Hello, good morning and good evening everyone. Today I'm going to cook skinless chicken legs, very crispy with marinated and also french fries. First potato with sweet potato french fries. First thing, I boil the chicken legs with black pepper, fish sauce, and also soy sauce, laurel or bay leaves, and garlic and onions with water, boiled like half cook. And then after that, and I uh, put away in the basin to make a coal down. Then after cool the chickens, I put the fryer with 15 minutes and then I let cool down again. So this is already, guys, is already out fryer for 15 minutes the chicken. And also I slice the potato, fresh potato and sweet potato, and then I boil the chicken stock which I boiled the chicken. So this chicken looks like that brown because I already air fry for 15 minutes and trying to cool down to uh, fried, deep fried for the next step. So I boiled the chicken stuff, the french fries and also sweet potato fries for 3 minutes with the chicken stock of beef, chicken broth. So now I deep fry the chicken which I already 15 minutes air fry to make crispier. And this chicken, guys, before I deep fried, I marinate the whole night. And then skinless, take out the skin. It's very crispy. So now we need to double fry, making sure it's crispy because my husband he likes crispy. So while we frying the chickens, we need to put the french fries inside the air fry to make crispier. And after that, put outside to make color. So now you have to turn the chicken, making sure the chicken is even, both sides is crispy. It's very yummy, guys. When I pick on after air fry, it's very crispy and very delicious already. So if you like my video, please don't forget to subscribe, like, share, and make sure leave comment. And don't forget to post the notification bell. So now the chicken is ready to put on the plate. So I'm very lucky, guys, because I decided to my husband to bought the air fry, because air fry, if you want your deep fried, double fried your chicken to make crispier, then you have to air fry first and then you have to deep fry. So now the chicken is ready. So after that, guys, you have to call the french fries and the sweet potato fries out to the air fryer, and then you have to deep fry also to make double fry to make crispy also. So make sure this oil is very hot, but I put high, and then after that I turn with a medium uh, temperature of the oven. So look at that. You have to stir it well, making sure the brownies is even. But what I said, my husband loved the French fries or sweet potato fries is very crispy and crispy. So thank you very much for watching my video. Please leave comment as soon as possible. I respond your message. Thank you and God bless. So now the French fries is ready. So I need to put set aside next to the chicken. So you need to try, guys. If you like this, you have to try it. So what I said, I don't show you. I boiled the chicken, but I boiled the chicken and the air fry 15 minutes and the